beautiful souls, a very warm welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing great. I am doing absolutely fine. So today I am back with another haul video. I have shopped a little on a sale. So let me show what I got and from which brand I got. So today I am going to show you the products I have purchased from Plum the last week. There was a sale, I guess the birthday sale was going on, and I was pretty excited. But when I saw the influencers, they got it with a purple confetti and I got it with the paper. Yeah, obviously I would like my package to be much safer, but that was much attractive, don't you think? Comment down in the comment section. So the first product I have purchased is the Plum's Body Loving Body Mist. This is in the flavor Vanilla Vibes. So I have all flavors of perfume, and I've heard many of the influencers talking about the vanilla flavor, and I got a chance to get my hands on this product. So this is a very beautiful product I have already used. It comes in a plastic container and the MRP is priced at 525, but in offer I got it for 420, which was a good steal deal. And this smells heaven, guys. I can tell you, trust me, you can blindly go ahead and purchase this. I will highly recommend. I'm a person who likes a mild kind of perfumes rather than something strong, and this lasts for like 12 hours, not more than that. It's not a 24-hour perfume, but it's a 12-hour perfume, but I think we can layer on and do a good job with this. So next I have purchased these two body oils. It was a combo and it was priced at 660 for both the oils. It is priced 550 for 200 ml. So each bottle is 550 rupees, and so if you sum it up, it is 1100, but I got it for 660. That is 330 rupees for each, which is a steal deal, guys. I love this. And yes, the body oil works pretty well. I have used the vanilla one with the vanilla perfume, and guys, I was smelling like a freshly baked cake the whole day. And I do go to the office actually, so when you go to the office, you are sitting at one place. Sometimes the AC is on, sometimes the AC is off, because it's the central AC system and all. So yes, the whole day you will smell great, and I highly recommend this. So the second one is Hawaiian Rumba, and I have not tried this because I was so busy and engaged with the vanilla body oil, so I did not get a hands-on chance to check this one out. So I will definitely try this and put a review on my channel, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So the next product is not a planned purchase. I just got tempted and I bought it. So this is the Plum Cleansing Bar. This is the E-Illuminance Simple Supple Cleansing Bar. This one retails at 545 rupees, but I got it at 436 rupees in an offer, and it was the same offer. And let me show you how the box container looks. So it's a plastic tub. All the Plum products which I received are in plastic. So there is a little paper inside, and then there is the product. So this is how the cleansing balm looks, and it's light peachy in color. I am in love with the color. So beautiful color it is. So it is a 90-gram product, and it is a very good product. I have seen many of the influencers using it, so I have not started using it, so it's just closed. So I will start using it and give you an honest review, like, is this worth the money you're putting? Don't worry, I will purchase it for you, review it and tell you. And yes, there is another thing also. There is a small spatula given in the box, so that you can just scrape the product out and directly apply, rather than putting the same uncleanly hands, or in case we are using the same hands. So this is more like sanitize and cleanliness way, I think, and that's a good deal actually. That's a good gesture, Plum. So the next product is the Plum Body Loving Drive Me Cherry Gel Body Scrub, and it's a beautiful scrub. I have not used it, but I have heard reviews about this product, and this product is priced at 550, which I got it absolutely free, because there was an offer going on, like above 1200 or on 1000 rupees you'll get a free scrub. So the scrub flavor was not mentioned, they randomly sent the scrub. And yes, I would like to review this product, and it is a full size product, guys. I did not expect a full size product. So basically when you buy things and you get something free, you get the sample size of products like the 10 ml 20 ml product, but this is a huge bottle. I did not expect this one and I am in love. Thank you guys for watching till the last. This is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed or gained little knowledge from my video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do share it to your loved ones so that they can know what all products are on sale and had been on the sale which they missed, so they will be a little more alert next time for the sale. You can follow me on Instagram for fresh updates. This is my channel. So until next time, keep shining. Love you. Bye.